Imagine if everything you know isn't random, but meticulously programmed. What if the universe is a sophisticated simulation crafted by a powerful code that shapes our existence? Today, we're exploring the idea that mathematics is the ultimate programming language, structuring our reality like a cosmic computer. Mathematics isn't just a tool we use to understand the universe. It's the very fabric of reality. From the orbits of planets to the spirals of galaxies, from the structure of DNA to the way leaves grow on a tree, everything follows precise mathematical laws. Mathematics describes the underlying order of the universe. It's as if reality itself is a grand equation, and we are simply discovering its variables and constants. But what if mathematics isn't just describing reality, but creating it? What if these equations and patterns are the code running in the background of a simulated universe? So, what is math, really? Mathematics is a universal language that describes relationships between numbers, shapes, quantities, and patterns. It's a systematic and logical framework used to understand and represent the world around us. Mathematics is not just about solving equations or performing calculations. It's about grasping the underlying principles that govern the universe. Some believe that math is the mind of God because the qualities of mathematics perfectly match the description of a divine being. How so? Mathematical truths are timeless. The relationship between simple equations, like 2 plus 2 equals 4, is as true today as it was in ancient Greece and will be in the distant future. Unlike physical objects which can decay or change, mathematical truths remain constant. They exist independently of our discovery of them. Much like the concept of an eternal God, the principles of mathematics apply universally, regardless of time or place. Whether you're on Earth or in a distant galaxy, 2 plus 2 will always equal 4. This universal applicability mirrors the omnipresence often attributed to a deity. And mathematics is infinite because it deals with concepts that never end. For example, numbers continue indefinitely. No matter how high you count, there's always another number after that. This speaks to the infinite and limitless nature of mathematics. But mathematics doesn't just describe and predict the positions of everything, it also balances them. Even the concept of good and evil, yin and yang, can be explained mathematically using Aleister Crowley's formula 0 equals 2. Crowley's formula 0 equals 2 is a mystical concept suggesting that something can arise from nothing, representing a balance of opposites and the unity of duality. This can be related to how mathematics acts as a balancer of the universe. In math, 0 represents nothingness, or a state of perfect balance. When you add or subtract equal and opposite things, they cancel each other out, bringing you back to 0, a state of balance. For example, negative 14 plus 14 will always equal 0. The same applies to every single digit, regardless of how high or low the number is. 0 is not just a state of nothingness, but a state of perfect balance. In physics, particles and antiparticles are created in pairs that cancel each other out, keeping the overall energy of the universe balanced. Mathematics underpins these laws of physics, ensuring that the universe remains in harmony, with every action having an equal and opposite reaction. If our universe follows the rules of mathematics, it might also explain the existence of good and evil. Both are necessary to cancel each other out, creating a perfect state of balance. So, could this information lead us into something more than just our reality? In computer science, programming languages are used to create and organize virtual worlds. Similarly, mathematics could be seen as the programming language that organizes our reality. Just like code determines the behavior of objects in a video game, mathematical laws determine how matter and energy behave in the universe. When we write a program, we use code to define the rules and behavior of the environment. Mathematics in the universe functions in the same way. It's the code that determines how everything operates, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy. This perspective aligns with the idea that our universe could be a complex simulation where the laws of physics are akin to algorithms and numbers serve as the fundamental building blocks. So, if mathematics is the programming language of the universe, what evidence do we have that we're living in a simulated reality? Consider the uncanny precision of mathematical constants, like the speed of light, Planck's constant, or the gravitational constant. These numbers are so precise that they seem almost too perfect to be the result of random chance. These constants could be seen as the fundamental parameters set by whoever or whatever programmed our universe. The idea that such precision could arise from a random, chaotic universe seems unlikely, pushing us towards the possibility of an intelligent design behind the scenes. If we accept that mathematics acts like a programming language for the universe, what does this mean for us? Are we simply characters in a vast cosmic game? And if so, who or what is the programmer? The idea of living in a simulated reality raises profound questions about free will, the nature of consciousness, and the purpose of existence. If our universe is a simulation, it suggests that there could be a reality beyond what we perceive, a real world outside of the code. These questions challenge our understanding of reality and push the boundaries of science, philosophy, and spirituality. Could the search for truth in mathematics lead us to discover the ultimate programmer or even the purpose of our existence? Mathematics is more than just numbers and equations. It's the language that organizes our reality, shaping everything we see and experience. Whether we're living in a simulation or not, the fact that the universe follows such precise mathematical rules is awe-inspiring in itself. What do you think? Are we living in a simulated reality governed by the mathematics of a cosmic programmer? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of existence.